Hello friends, welcome to 1000 plus Excel templates review. Master Excel in just 10 minutes. Save hours on complex spreadsheets, increase your productivity instantly, and impress your boss to get that promotion faster. Instant access to 1000 plus ready-made templates. Create professional Excel sheets in 10 minutes. Boost your productivity and efficiency. Versatile templates for every need. Effortless customization, instant download, and immediate use. Perfect for all skill levels. No subscription fees. Troubleshooting common issues for Excel designers. Wasting hours. Streamlined efficiency. Our Excel templates eliminate the need to start from scratch, letting you dive straight into your analysis or project with pre-designed, ready-to-use formats. Versatile adaptability. Suitable for both beginners and advanced users, our templates offer customizable options to perfectly align with your specific requirements and preferences. Professional aesthetics. Beyond functionality, we've meticulously crafted our templates with a focus on design, ensuring that your reports and analyses are not only effective, but also visually appealing. Quick start. Skip the setup time and begin your work immediately with our pre-built templates, designed to facilitate rapid and efficient project execution. User-friendly design. Regardless of your Excel expertise, our templates are straightforward and easy to use, allowing you to focus on your data rather than struggling with design. Expert-crafted quality. Benefit from templates designed by professionals who understand industry standards, providing you with high-quality, reliable tools for your work. Please visit video description.